This product, the RMR Glass and Surface Cleaner 2-in-1 Protection, this is for anyone tired of cleaning the same shower over and over again. That's me. I like this because it has like a repellent, creates water repellent barrier. So it doesn't just clean, but it also helps the mess from coming right back. So if you have a shower like I do with teenagers, constantly wiping this thing down, cleans and leaves a repellent layer so the water spots, they don't build up and they don't stick as fast. In testing, I was super shocked that I didn't have to keep wiping the door down as often as usual. But you don't ever just have to use it on a glass door. You could use it on glass, of course, tile, counters, and even appliances. The spray is quick and straightforward. You got to put the nozzle on, but it comes separate, but I just put it on. Not complicated, no mixing, no extra steps, but helps break that constant cycle of scrubbing, which, wow, I saved myself a couple days of work. Good option here if you want something that handles both cleaning and maintenance in one step. Leaves everything really clear and polished, and I didn't need multiple products. I didn't need to keep going over it and over it and over it, but highly recommend this glass and surface protection cleaner. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.